In this video, I will show you how to download a thesis or dissertation for free. So, let's get started. Open your internet browser. In the search bar, type Open Access Theses and Dissertations. Open this link. This is the website. It is a free online search platform that helps users find open access master's and PhD theses from universities around the world. In the search bar, type the topic for which you want a thesis. For example, I will type workplace stress and click on search. You can see that thousands of results may appear for the given topic. Open one of the dissertations by clicking on it, and a new tab will open. The thesis is available in PDF format. Click on it to download. You can download the full-text thesis for free. As you can see, this thesis contains around 106 pages. In this way, you can download multiple theses, dissertations, journals, books, and other resources for your research work. Now, let's search for another title. Go back to the website. In the search bar, type burnout. Open this result. A new page will open. From here, click on Download. This thesis consists of 62 pages. Once downloaded, open the document. In this way, you can download multiple theses and dissertations on any required title or topic. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos.